Yo, what's going on YouTube? Gio here from the ChummiTV, and for today's video, we're about to go to Manila Sneaker Expo and see you guys. Peace. So if you guys don't know what Manila Sneaker Expo is, it's basically like the sneaker con here in the Philippines that happens usually twice a year. And yeah, it's where Idol. So if you guys don't know what Manila Sneaker Expo is, it's basically like a sneaker con here in the Philippines, and it happens twice a year. And this is where you meet a lot of sneakerheads and streetwear enthusiasts. So yeah, let's go inside there. Thank you.
Checked out
So before we get started with the vlog, I just want to give a shout out to the people over at Decked Out PH for helping me secure a pair of the off-white Air Force Ones in the gold colorway in a size 9. So yeah, peace. Shout out to you guys. And yeah, thank you. Peace. Travis Scott Jordan 1. I need these. I need these. Outfit of the day. So there you guys have it. That was Manila Sneaker Expo 8. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and big shout out to those people that I was able to talk to and allowed me to take videos of their fits. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like, comment down below who has the best fit for you guys, and yeah, see you guys in the next one. Peace.